Okay, all right. So today we'll be studying about the leetcode medium problem, that is longest substring without repeating characters, right? So what the problem statement says is, we have to find the repeating element and the number of repeating element in this array, right? The longest of substring without repeating character. Okay, so here the longest substring is a b c, then a b c, then again b and b, right? So the without repeating characters, given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating character, right? So here I am saying that b is repeating the characters. So if I am taking that a, b and c, it's a substring of this main string, so it is already repeating its character, right? So abc, so I think the answer is abc without with the length of 3. So you have to output the substring length which is repeating, right? Okay, then here it is one element, right? B, total string is 5 times of b, and then one substring is just 1b, and we have to, the b is repeating its element b, b, b and b. So b is the substring which repeat its element, so output will be 1, right? So let's understand with the test cases, right? So here the approach will be, we will keep an set or map, right? So here I'm taking a set only. So what will be my approach is, we will take this element, right? This element, and if check, suppose it will be I, and then we check for the whole string. If the element is exist, if there, then we will store it into a set, right? So a will be stored in a set, and with the index set, right? With that index, so by which if for the next loop I will be increment by 1, then I will be pointing towards b, then check for b towards from this to this side. Okay, so b will be here, right? So also it set also take its b with its position. Okay, so let's code it, right? Okay, so first of all we have to take a maximum element, right? So which we want to take output is int max b, let's say it. So initialize by 0, and then to form a for loop where the I variable is starting from 0 to I less than h dot length, then okay. So in this for loop, what we will do is we will keep another for loop. So it will be checking that is another for loop, it is starting from I, right? So here what we'll be doing is we'll keep an let's say it, okay. So it's there is an a, so we'll keep traverse, this is a I, and then starting from this element to this element we'll keep changing, right? So for each I we'll be checking. So j is starting from I to j less than h dot length, right? J plus plus, and then checking if, so we should take an set here. Okay, so set of char, right, ht. Okay, so we'll be checking that if there is ht dot find, it means if the character is already exist in the set, right, ht dot find, and its indexing will be s of I. So if s of I is exist, that means a is exist here, so towards the ht dot end, right, then we will be insert it into the set dot insert. So set dot insert containing s of I, right, and then we have to increment one value which we want to want as output. Okay, so let's take C++. C will be increment here, or else if not found, then we'll simply break this for loop, right? So else simply break. Okay, and then we will be keep on updating our max variable. So max b will be max of max b and c, as simple as that. Okay, so for each for loop we will be updating our max b variable, and then after getting out from this for loop we will be returning our max b variable, right? So yeah, I think this will work. I think if I have not made many mistake. So here I made a mistake, that is ht.find, it should there bracket, should be a bracket, yeah, here, right, starting from here to ht of I, yeah. So again here x is missing here, it's a typing mistake. Okay, okay, so here I have made a mistake that it should not be I, it should be z, right, and here also, yeah, I'm taking the j variable only, so I think it's right, yeah. So let's submit it. Okay, thank you. You may also go through the map, right? You may use the unordered map also. I'm doing here using the set only. So thank you everyone.